Okay guys, so listen, this is a lot of hair. Let me just say that it's beautiful. It is fall ready. This is a yaki texture, very natural yaki texture, very full. I'm going to put the density on the screen and the length as well. But yeah, the application came out pretty nicely. I'm going to give you a close-up shot of the application. Okay guys, this is the unit after she has been applied with temporary glue, which is the got to be glue in the yellow can. This is her in her natural state, and this is the way that I love this unit. She's human hair, yaki texture, so you can also flat iron this unit. You can also wand curl this unit. You can also put some crimps in this unit. But just be aware, when it comes to yaki texture wigs, those curls will come and then those curls will go. And so I always love it in its natural state. So this is her straight out of the packaging. The parting area, I showed you how much parting you're going to get. The length of this one is really long. Check out the texture on this unit. Really pretty. Natural color. The density, I'll put all that on the screen. But I am just loving her just the way she is on me in her natural state. Did you check out that hairline? Said wig wear. Does it look like I'm wearing a wig? So the natural hairline on this one is really nice. Really loving this texture. Loving the natural hairline on this unit. This is the unit without the ball cap method, any type of cap on whatsoever. Looking really nice, really natural looking. Listen, if you like this one, all the information is going to be down in my description box. Add this one to your wig collection.